Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can manage your balances in your Stripe account. So let's start. First of all, what we need to do, we have to open our account, and after that we have to go to the balances section. And after going to the balances section, as you can see, has the aid a bank account to pay or you pay out your USD balance. So as you can see, you have to click on the aid bank account, and after that, as you can see, these details are also provided here. You will be able to see them. If you want to go to the top up section, you can also go there and you will be able to see some different type of details here. And after that, going to the payout section, as you can see, you will be able to see all the payouts here if you have made any kind of pay. After that, I'm going to back overview, and as you can see, as the option for the manage payouts. So if you want to manage your payout schedule, you have to click on this. If you want to manage your bank accounts, you have to click on this. I'm going to click on the manage payout schedule. As you can see, now the automatic in a day or the week, I'm going to select the week here, and let's click on the save. So as you can see, now the payout schedule is set it. Now if you want to manage your bank accounts, you have to click on the manage bank accounts. As you can see, currently we don't have any active bank account. If you want to add a bank account, you have to click on the add bank account, and after that you can also add that. So send me a verification link, you have to click on this, and after that you will be able to add your bank account. So in this way you can manage your balances section in your Stripe account. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.